Hi guys, welcome on the channel. This video will be mostly for beginners. For example, if you are second officer and you are just now start thinking that want to be a chief officer, so that video exactly for you. Let's start from one by one file option. This I will go through. The most important ones I will highlight and show how it's working. Let's start from new. If you open the new, so it will open the completely empty vessel without any ballast, any fuel, any cargo, and etc. On the practice, it's almost never used. Open file is like on the standard Windows. You just need to open some condition or tank condition, cargo condition. Later I explain why it's so many features. It's very easy to understand, and just follow up and you will know everything. This is just saved conditions, by the way, from real vessel, from real conditions, which, as I remember, were done in the China. Okay, test condition. This is, of course, it says by its name. If you need to test your load indicator, normally it's to be done, as I remember, every 6 months, or might be stringent according to your quality management system. Recent file. Good thing, I very often was using this when I was chief mate. As you see now, I just pressed and back to normal previous condition. You may see it's all of these conditions were previously opened, and whatever you want to choose, so it will work if you not change the path. Save as. Let's say, just on an example, if you are made some changes, this condition is, as you see now, 01 for beginners. It was saved, and if you're going to make some changes, let's do like this, just move to the peer these units. You need to save this condition exactly, so you need to make save as. It will save all together cargo like it is on deck and together with the peer. Also, you may save as different types. Let's create new folder like test. Let's it open, and here, as I told before, here couple of items. This important thing to know. When I was second officer, it was really challenge to know this one. Nobody wanted to share experience. Condition. What means a condition voyage? If you save like this, just pay attention here. File MACS3. So it will contain all data, all cargo data, all ballast data, and together fuels with constants. It means a grand total of your conditions, together, by the way, with peer. Next is cargo. Cargo is mentioned like format CXML. It will save only data for cargo, and here very often to be used when you need to send particular units to planner. It will contain only cargo, as you understand from the name. Next is tank hold and constants. This is very often used when the planner he requesting before arrival, this is normal practice, to send to him your tank condition. It will also contain here like very good hint, yeah, tanks holds constant. It to be done in order to planner understand, yeah, what condition you have, because chief mate is responsible for ballast, maybe within the voyage he uptake ballast or discharge ballast, whatever. So the planner they always asking when 1 day, 2 days before port of arrival, and other. This one honestly I never used. This is only txt some file which you may open to the notepad on the regular Windows. Next steps is save. If you press save, so this condition actual one will be oversaved on your file which you open. Here is save condition for MACS3 connected. Let's click and see. This is some kind of report. I never faced with this. Maybe most famous companies in the world they use this. This is to be reported probably like regular reporting intervals as per SOLAS requirements. So then if you join the vessel and you use this option, believe me, your reliever will let you know how to do this, and you will have for sure instruction. Edit and text format stored, and this is also some adjustments to be done, but as a beginner you even don't need to deep inside here. Next is load vessel. This to be used when you are planner ashore. If you need to load another vessel, so then you need to first load vessel. It contains all this data of particular vessel with these hydrostatic tables, etc. Belka feature is very useful thing. Here you may choose any of them. Viewing is a standard, mostly used feature when you are making the planning. Mostly of them are used like this. Loading, quick loading, discharge planning. This is applicable for small vessels less than 1000 TEU. Maybe you will want to use this one, for example, very quick, and on the draft you have on default 10 tons containers. I demonstrate a little bit. Just back to view. I need to zoom in and I place loading, and you see on default here 10 tons, 20 feeders. You may choose, for example, you have some important loading on export, and just you need to roughly understand if they load these units like this, how the condition will be. You just may load in quick, like I'm doing now in quick type, this precondition, let's say. Okay, I back now to viewing. Loading will be discussed. Quick loading on first steps, you will not use this. Discharge is quick mode, like let's say quick loading, but opposite. Comment this arrow as you see now, and you just click in the mouse, left button, it's just disappearing. By the way, it's not moving. You should understand this difference. It's the shift is when you have the shift here, all this cargo will be shifted on the pier. When you have discharging, so cargo just disappearing. Okay, planning also, planning mode, this is for small vessels, preparation also for small vessels. Press select action, this is a useful thing, you might call it also from here, you see. Press select, if you click, appear in the same window. Useful. Display is, let's say, settings what you need to sometimes adjust. I will also demonstrate to you. As you see now, adjusted like this. You may whatever make here any format up to your needs. Here might be weight or port of discharge or class of dangerous goods, etc. One thing what I want to show you, if you go to Windows, very often guys asking in the comments how to back to normal condition. Yeah, so just you go to Window and restore default layout. Press, and now MACS3 back to normal conditions, to standard layout. As you see, background become white. Here also back color, yeah, like when it's this is just my own, let's say, style. I like when background a bit gray to highlight these slots. As you see now, the layout of bay view, here you may add any adjustment what you want. To do this, you should choose here, for example, refill, and press add. Here refill will appear, and here you may also choose, you see the text is changing, and you may add whatever you want from this list. Wait, for example, add, and adjust these windows under your needs. Okay, I don't want too much. This is neat for you to play this, and you will easily understand. Custom cargo types, also this, you don't need these first steps. General cargo type same, cargo types converter same, flat track converter same. Setting is important thing. Make sure if you join as the chief, so these settings should be set up according to your quality management system or your company circulars or instructions or whatever. Here really important thing here should be ticked for sure. Next is visibility. Interesting thing, so when you sailing with normal trim, here will not be alarm if you making your visibility is not comply with SOLAS. As you see, IMO 500 meters, so it means this base, this is like imagine view from bridge, this base on first base will not obstruct. If you, let's imagine, load more, let's even demonstrate loading, let's 5 tons to do not exceed, and you will see how overview will be. Notice that we are not comply. Back to viewing mode, back here, visibility, and as you see, this tower is already highlighted and we are not compliant with SOLAS and Panama visibility. Panama visibility is much stronger than IMO visibility. Okay, we go next step. Visibility is already clear. This 1, 2, 3, 4, no need especially for first stages. Here you may choose the ports. You may edit from this menu. Yeah, you by sequence one by one ports what you have, you should choose properly according to your schedule. If you don't choose according to schedule, port discharge, port loading will be not correctly shown, highlighted. Here choosing filter is just special. Specials means highlighted reefers and highlighted IMDG cargo. You don't see reefer because we don't have reefers now on this condition. Let's make we have, and we go just here. We may tick reefer not permitted. Okay, program works well, giving us alarm. Reefer set up as a blue, but colors here not applied when I make default layout. If I want to make color green, on default normally reefers are green. I prefer blue. This port of course might be also checked in and changed in port call list. Yes, same window, but we will approach to this important thing, and you should know this, how to adjust. Commodity list, also this is some additional setup. I don't want to to spend time for it. This is very seldom used. Cargo list, on total list units on board. Permanent cargo is some occupied places, maybe some power packs or maybe additional installation where you cannot place container unit. Search containers. If you need to find some containers, you may go from this, find all containers like this. On my experience, I prefer mostly quick search. Quick search might be done by hotkeys Ctrl and Q. I just pressed, and this one quick search. Very seldom I face with someone use this search container. Quick search is more friendly than search container, but maybe if you like search containers, so then this is your business, let's say. Next is standard cargo summary. This is just overview of total units on board. You may subdivide it by 20 feeters, 40 feeters, but total always highlighted with green, as you see now. Total weight on board of containers, full containers. This is a number of containers, this is not weight. Average full, I don't know what for needed this average full, maybe some ports required for special report. Next is customize cargo summary. Here you may customize whatever you want. By bay, this is very wide thing, useful when you need to prepare some reports, pre-arrival documents when you arrive in the port. Your own draft and make extraction from here. Let's say export to clipboard. It means it will be in the clipboard. If you open some text file or Word file, press Ctrl V, so this information in text format will be transferred to the Word. Here it will be directly, okay, let's say demonstrate directly to the Excel, like this. HTML, so this is in browser format, and PDF. Okay, let's do PDF. PDF you will see like in kind of report. Recap. This is recapitulation and it's quite complicated. I will show you another way. This way is how to better make this recap. Special ports. Go down, cargo, discharge, transit, recap by type. And this very often used, just PDF, the captain asking, port asking, give me recapitulation in port of arrival. Okay, next is port summary. This is units by port summary, how many units on each port to be discharged and loaded. Here you can see the filter, port of loading, port of discharge. Here Busan, here Ashdod, Haifa, probably this Busan, and this PSE. You just don't too much involved in this. Next is IMDG summary, or this one is you need to know. Also might be called from another menu. It's just click on this square and you have almost the same. This Windows is also might be adjusted here. Okay, this is IMDG summary, center of gravity summary. This one never used. This detailed calculations of program as per hydrostatic table input in your soft, where center of gravity located. Okay, next one is container in base. So the summary in base, you also maybe one time per 5 years you will use this one. In tier same, some of our cargo in base also almost the same. statistic. Let's go next on special ports. Yes, so yes, this is special reports for particular canals like Suez or Panama. Let's say Panama summary. There are adjusted for local rules. You might have this when you arrive into mentioned canals. Load list it's probably next setup China port here, but also this is, don't get so much involved in this stage. Discharge same. Cargo summary, sometimes you will use this. Container full 20 feeder 174, total 174, so means all 20 feeders on board are full, there are no empty 20 feeders on board. And here very readable information also might be extracted to PDF like this. Here center of gravity in base, hold statistic, hold report. This also not to be used, some statistic from what you have in the, what slots occupied in the hold. I don't know what for done this, it's never used.